Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to destination for the latest in women's footwear trends. In today's video, we shall dive deep into the most stylish and most have shoes of 2025. From elegant stiletto high heels to chic molds and comfortable yet trendy sandals, we have got everything covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your shoes game. The timeless appeal stilettos have always been a symbol of elegance, confidence, and sophistication. Trading designs in 2025: crystal embellished stilettos, strappy metallic heels, transparent and PVC heels, lace up stilettos. Celebrity influence: how celebrities and influencers are styling stilettos heels this year. Best occasions to wear stilettos: from red carpets to date nights, stilettos remain a must have for every woman. Tips for comfort and care: choosing the right heel height, cushioning techniques, and how to maintain your stilettos. What are molds? A brief history of molds and their growing popularity. 2025 mold trends: chunky heel molds, embellished and beaded designs, velvet and suede textures, open to vest, closed to molds. Best outfits to pair with molds: casual, formal, and office wear. And office wear style tips: top brand leading this top brands leading the mold trend: Gucci, Prada, Stella Madden, and more. Why every woman need a pair of chic sandals? 2025 sandal trends: gladiator sandals making a comeback, minimalist leather sandals, and pearl adorned sandals, platform sandals for extra height. Best sandals for different seasons: spring, summer, and fall fashion must haves. The best shoes for different occasions: office and work shoes, elegant and comfortable heels for long working hours. Casual everyday footwear: slip-on loafers and trendy sneakers. Party and event wear: glittering stilettos and designs heels. Vacations and travel picks: comfortable yet stylish sandals and molds. Choosing the right shoe for your foot shape, materials that last longer and feel comfortable. Where to shop: online vs in-store shopping tips. How to spot fake designer shoes. Classic, natural, pink, nude and white, bold and vibrant colors: red, electric blue, and neon greens. Metallic finishes: gold, silver, and holographic designs. That's what on today ultimate guide to 2025. How styles become a fashion icon: from Hollywood stars to runway models to model stilettos have defined elegance for decades. The latest stiletto trends in 2025: ultra thin pencil heels for a sharp sleek look, sculpted and geometric heel giving a futuristic whip, lace up stilettos that add a touch of drama, transparent and glass inspired stilettos for a minimal yet skirting appearance. The influence of luxury brands: how top designers like Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, and Manolo Blahnik are redefining stiletto this year. Best stilettos for different occasions: date nights and romantic dinners, corporate events and formal wear, red carpet and high-end parties. How to walk in stilettos: comfortable tips for balance, posture, and reducing foot pain. The rise of moles: a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Why moles are dominating 2025 fashion scenes: a shift towards effortless slap-on elegance. Types of moles trending this year's black heel moles for all day comfort, stun and velvet moles perfect for luxury evening wear, strappy and open toe moles for our summer fashion, spectral heel moles that redefine casual elegance. How moles are styled by celebrities and influencers, casual chic with jeans and blouse, business casual look with midi skirts and trousers, elegant night out ensembles with flowy dresses. Mole shoes care and maintains tips, keeping them clean and stylish for longer wear. The sandal revolution style meets practicality. Why sandals are becoming a statement piece in 2025, no longer just for comfort. Sandals now define style. Key sandal styles to look out for are gladiator sandals, making a major comeback in street fashions. Chunky sole sandals, bold and modern for urban fashionista. Rhinestones embellished sandals, perfect for beach parties and weddings. Minimalist flat sandals, timeless classics for everyday wear. How to choose the right sandals for your outfit. Maxi dresses and floral prints, very leg pants and boho chic styling, denim and streetwear inspired looks. Sessional sandal trends, the best sandal shoes for summer, spring, and autumn. The ultimate footwear guide for every occasions. Professional and work wear, sleek, comfortable heels that do not compromise on elegance. Casual everyday footwear, sneakers, flats, and loafers making waves in 2025. Parties and glamours events, statement heels, and unique sandal designs. Vacation and travel pinks, lightweight, fashionable, and comfortable choice. Shoe shopping tips and how to find the perfect pair. Understanding shoe fit and comfort, why the right size matters more than style. Material matters, leather versus synthetic was fabric, which one lasts the longest. Where to buy trendy shoes, the best online stores and boutique recommendations. How to sport designer ropes, avoiding counterfeit products and getting real quality. Most popular shoes, colors and finishes. Natural that never go out of styling, beach cream and pastels, bold and eye-catching sandals, shades electric blue, fairy red and neon green, metallic magic silver gold and brownies, dominating the fashion runways. Textures and print trends, snake skin, crocodile leather and mixed material footwear. The timeless elegance of stiletto high heels, the history and legacy of stilettos, how stilettos become a symbol of power and elegance, the role of Hollywood and fashion icons in popularized stiletto heels, how style designs how evolved from the 1950s to 2025, trading stiletto styles in 2025. Ultra slam pencil heels, a sleek and feminine touch to modern outfits. Geometric and speculated heels, art inspired designs with futuristic elements. Metallic and crystal adorned stilettos, the perfect statement shoes for our wearing wearing evening wear. Strappy lace up stilettos, a blend of vintage and modern aesthetics. Transparent PVC stilettos, minimalist, chic, and effortlessly stylish. The best stilettos pairing for different outfits. Business, formal versus cocktail party looks. Everyday casual styling with jeans and stilettos. Evening wear trends, featuring bold stilettos. How to walk in stilettos with confidence. Foot placement techniques, better balance. Reducing foot plan with cushions, inserts, and proper shoe fit. choosing the right heel height for different occasions. The comeback of moles in fashions. Why moles are becoming more popular than traditional high heels. How moles combine comfort with effortless sophistications. The influence of top designers in shaping mole trends. The hottest mole styles for 2025. Chunky heel moles combining retro charm with modern appeal. Square toe moles, fashion forward alternative to classic style tan velvet moles, the ultimate luxury footwear for elegant evenings. Beaded and embroidered moles perfect for weddings and festive occasions. Minimalist slap on moles, timeless and versatile for everyday wear. How to style moles for different occasions. Office wear sleek moles for a professional yet stylish look. Summer outfits lightweight moles paired with flowy dress. Casual outings denim jeans and relaxed fit blazers with moles. Evening glam pairing embellished moles with bold accessories. How to care for your moles. Cleaning and storing different materials, leather, suede, stun, protecting your moles for wear and tear. How to prevent your feet from slapping it open back moles. Why sandals are more than just casual wear in 2025. The transformation of sandals into high fashion pieces. Celebrity and influencer enroll of high-end sandals, the fusions of casual and elegant sandal styles, the most after sandal styles for 2025. Gladiator sandals, streaking lace up designs making a huge comeback. Sandals perfect for our vacations and summer parties. Strappy minimalist sandals are must have for every fashions forward woman. Chunky sole sandals ideal for are those who want extra height without compromising comfort. Strappy lax sandals mixing elastic aesthetics with high-end fashions. How to pair sandals with different outfits. Flowy maxi dress and strappy sandals with leg paints and minimal lace leather sandals. Bohemian scarves paired with gladiator sandals. Streetwear looks featuring sporty sandals. Choosing the right sandals for your foot shape. The best sandals for wide waist, narrow fit, arch support, and slow flexibility. What to look for? While some sandals stylish might not work for your foot tip. Work office footwear trends. While structured heels and polished flats are the best office wear, how to combine comfort and professionalism with footwear. The best colors and designs for a corporate wardrobe, party and evening wear essentials. Statement high heels that make an impact. Choosing the right footwear for formal events versus sculpting. Luxury versus affordable brands where to invest your money. Casual footwear that both trendy and comfortable. The rise of designers sneakers in high fashions. How loafers and slap-ons are making a major fashion statement. The best everyday footwear for running errands in style. Travel vacations footwear picks. Packing light, choosing versatile shoes for travel, the best travel friendly sandals, sneakers, and flats. How to maintain style while ensuring comfort during long walks. How to choose the right shoes for your foot type. Flat fit vs high arched fit with shoes work best. Finding the right shoe size when shopping online. How different brands size their shoe differently. Material matters, choosing the best shoes, fabrics, while leather is a long-term investment. The rise of eco-friendly and vegan shoe materials, compromising synthetic versus natural fabrics. neutral fabrics. Where to shop for are the best footwear, the best online stores for high and budget friendly shoes. How to spot fake designers shoes when shopping online. Tips for getting discounts on luxury footwear. Classic versus trendy colors. What in this year's neutral shades like nude, beige, and taupe. Bold statement colors: fairy red, cobalt blue, in emerald green. The rise of metallic tones: gold, silver, and rose gold. Prints and textures: snakeskin, leather, and color black designs. Spring summer pastel shades, florals, and lightweight designs. Fall winter darker hues, velvety finishes, and warm tones. Year round color versatile shades that never go out of style. How footwear trends in 2025 are blending styles and functionality. Why investing in high quality shoes in essential for every woman's wardrobe. The importance of choosing footwear that fits your personality and lifestyle. There's swap on 2 days ultimate guide to 2025 women's footwear trends. Which style was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more trendy fashion.